we have seen linear equations in two variables, right?
Yes.
Quadratic equations, right? This chapter is
Yes.
not done, no? Arithmetic progressions.
No.
It was there in your 10th syllabus, no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This chapter was there in your 10th syllabus, no?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Voice is not clear. Still, now,
Yes.
now is it clear? Hello?
Mhm. Okay.
Hello?
Hello. Yes, sir.
I said now my voice is now clear.
Huh. Not still breaking.
Wait a minute. Just a minute. Huh? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear.
Ah,
Okay. See, I just asked you, this chapter was there in your 10th syllabus, no? Arithmetic progressions, right?
yes.
Okay. So let's revise this chapter, arithmetic progression. ओके. याच्यावरती 11th मध्ये एक चॅप्टर आहे, याला बेसिक्स पकडून एक 11th मध्ये चॅप्टर आहे, सिक्वेन्स अँड सिरीज. Okay, that's why this chapter is also important. Okay,
Yes.
hello. Okay, now sequence. ठीक आहे. तर सिक्वेन्स म्हटल्यानंतर काय सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा काय लक्षात येतं? व्हॉट डू यू थिंक वेन यू हिअर दिस वर्ड सिक्वेन्स? व्हॉट इज युअर फर्स्ट थॉट?
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible to me.
Sequence means set of numbers with the same common difference.
I'm not asking about numbers. Sequence is neatly arranged, like, right? Like seeds in a sunflower.
Okay.
They are sequentially arranged. Let me give you an example, more examples. Just a moment.
Yes.
See, can you see the screen now?
Yes.
See what I have searched. Sequence in nature. See, this is sequentially arranged. Very good. seeds in sunflower, like arranged in this order, like uh, like this. See, did you see this pattern over there?
Yes.
Okay. In seeds of sunflower, in rose petals, then in this. Okay, so these are the sequences in nature, right? Understood? Now, in mathematics, such sequences are observed, such patterns are observed in numbers. There are numbers like, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are neatly arranged such that the difference between any two numbers is same. There are some numbers like, see, 2, then 8, then 16, sorry, 32, 32, then 128.
Sir, your voice is breaking again.
Till it is breaking, I don't know what's
Yes.
wrong with. I
Yeah,
first
I
tried
have my full
without.
internet connection. It's from your side only.
I also have my internet connection and I am using Bluetooth as well. Might be it's because of cough. I'm talking slowly. See this. See the sequence of numbers. Can you see it? 128 divided by 32. 32 divided by 8. 8 divided by 2. Tell me this division. Tell me this ratio. What it will be. What it is.
It will be 4 upon 1, last
4,
one.
4 upon 1 last one. First, second one.
Uh,
Second.
same only, all are same, 4 upon 1.
All are same. So here see.
Yeah.
The ratio of any two consecutive numbers in this sequence is same. What it is? Same. Then see, let me give you one more example. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Okay, now tell me what is the speciality of this sequence? What is characteristics of this sequence?
Common difference is same.
Common difference is same. See, you choose any two consecutive terms, 35 minus 30, or 30 minus 25, or 10 minus 5. You are going to get the same result. Okay, so there are some sequences of numbers whose ratio of two consecutive terms is same. Ratio. Okay, there are some sequences of numbers in which the difference of any two consecutive terms, what difference is same, right? Now see, this ratio is geometrical. geometry, it is technically geometrical word. Okay, and this difference is technically arithmetic word. Okay, so this sequence is called as, it is progressing. No, progressing means increasing. See, increasing either or decreasing, whatever, but it is progressing towards positive side of the real numbers or towards negative side of real numbers. So it is called as, this sequence is called as of uh, when where a ratio of two consecutive terms is constant, it is called as geometrical progression. What it is called? Hello, are you getting?
Geometrical.
Geometrical progression or geometric progression, and this sequence where difference between two consecutives is constant is called arithmetic. Arithmetic progression. Okay, here in this chapter we are only going to study arithmetic progressions only. In short, it is called as AP, right?
Yes.
Okay, now see, A1. I'm using the symbols which were used in your 10th syllabus, NCRT 10th syllabus. No, see, in this book that I'm referring now, in which the symbols used are like T1. Then for A2 it is T2, that is term 2. Then A3, that was used in NCRT, but here it is used as term 3. Okay, so let's say A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and so on are terms of geometrical arithmetic progression, are terms of arithmetic progression. Okay, where A1 is equal to A first term, A2 is second term, A3 is third term, A4 is fourth term, and A5 is fifth term. Okay, then the difference between any two consecutive terms like A5 minus A4, A4 minus A3, then A3 minus A2, or A2 minus A1, it is going to be same. It is going to remain same. That is the first condition for a arithmetic progression. समझ है?
Yes.
Is the first condition for arithmetic progression. Okay. Now for given arithmetic progression, we need to find its first term. We need to identify its first term. We need to identify its common ratio. Okay. So let's do some work on that. How to find first term, how to find common difference, how to find. Okay. So see, here are some examples. Which of the following sequences are arithmetic progression, and if they are arithmetic progression, find common difference among them. Okay. So first, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Check whether it is arithmetic progression or not.
Yes. The common difference is 2.
Common difference is 2. First term is
2.
okay. So is it arithmetic progression?
Yes.
Okay. Now next, 2, 5 by 2, 3. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 3. And so on. Is it an arithmetic progression? Check.
We'll see A2 minus A1
Hmm. A2 minus A1.
minus A1.
Huh. How much it is? Then A3 minus A2. How much it is? Find it out. How will you find it? There is denominator 1 and here also it is 1. So you need to follow this sequence, this operation.
Is it 1 upon 2?
Yes, here it is 1 upon 2 and here
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. So what is your take on this?
Common difference is same, so they are in AP.
Okay, see, in these two terms, the difference is 1 upon 2 and in between these two also the difference is 1 upon 2. Let's check for this difference now. 7 by 3 minus 3. Check it now.
I think so. We are getting 1 upon 3.
Here, are we getting 1 upon
Yes.
3 or minus 2 upon 3?
Minus 2 upon 3. 6 minus. Sorry, my bad.
7 minus 9 minus 2
9.
upon 3. Okay. So are we going to get same common difference? These
No,
two are
so they are
equal,
not
but
in
what about
AP. The
this?
third.
It is not equal. Okay. And hence we conclude that it is not an arithmetic progression. It is not an AP. Okay. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Go for it. Third one. Is it an AP or what?
Solving 1 minute.
Okay.
It is in AP and the difference is 4.
The difference is 4. Very good. Now check this one. Fifth
Okay. Question.
This one. Fifth. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. Done or what?
Yes, -4.
-4 is the difference. Okay. One question was there from your book. Okay. These same questions are there. See, this question is there in your book. This also is there in your book, but here there is two instead of three. So it forms when we replace 3 by 2, it forms an AP.
Sir, I can't see the questions.
Can't see the questions.
No,
Now
no, I'm seeing the PDF whiteboard.
PDF whiteboard only you can see. This you can't see.
Oh, no.
Now
Oh, not yet.
what's wrong? Still not here.
No, it's not visible.
I have shared no. What is the problem?
No. Can you share the screen again?
Yes, I just shared.
Okay, share it again.
Now
Now I can see practice set.
practice it right. So I just said कि this question is there in your CBSE book, but instead of these three, there was two. So when we replace these 3 by 2, it forms an AP. Okay. This question is also there.
Yes.
This question is also there. Try the seventh question.
Yes.
Try the seventh one. Does it form AP?
Okay.
Hmm. Doing it or what?
Doing 1 minute.
Okay.
Root 2 common.
Root 2 is a common difference. Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I gave you some questions which were arithmetic progressions. See now, this is not an arithmetic progression.
That
This
question. Okay.
it is an okay. What about the sixth?
The common difference will be 0.
0. Okay, so it is a constant arithmetic
Yes.
progression in which each term is constant. It is not progressing. It is remaining
Fourth is
constant.
not in AP because we are getting first 0.1, then 0, 0, like that.
Right, right. Fourth one is not
And
an
which
AP.
question? Done
Hmm.
with sixth and fourth.
Sixth and
Done with sixth and fourth question.
okay, fourth and sixth done. Okay, now let's go towards the next main question. Write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference is D given in the following. See, if A is 10 and D is 5, okay, what you are going to do is first, see, first term is 10. See, next term will be the difference between first and next term is of 5, na? So next term will be 10 plus 5, right? Am I right? Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay. Then next to this, it will be 10 plus 5, it is second term, and plus 5 the difference, right? That means you can write like 10 plus 2 into 5. This is
Okay.
the third term. Okay. First, second,
Yes.
third. Okay. Next, fourth term, it will be 10 plus this second term 2 into 5, 2 into 5 plus 5. So it will be 10 plus this 2 and plus 1, 3 into 5 taken common. This is fourth term. So on continuing this way, you can write nth term like an is equals to a first term plus n minus 1 at c. In third term it is 3 minus 1. In the second term it is 2 minus 1. Here the coefficient is 2 minus 1. Here in the fourth term the coefficient is 3, which is 4 minus 1. Here it is 0 into 5, means what? It is 1 minus 1. So it is n minus 1 into d. This formula is there for general nth term of an arithmetic progression, right?
Yes.
Now you have a and d, you have to write first 5 terms. So first term will be 10, right? First term is 10,
Yes.
second term is 15, third term is 20, fourth term is 25, fifth term is 30,
Yes.
right? Now do the
Yes.
same for second question, right? For second question,
Okay.
write down first, this formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d Then write first example like this.
Okay.
And then go for the next example. First this formula, then first example like this, explanatory, and then final answer like this.
I have to
Like this.
solve second question and write first question, no?
You first write first question.
That.
First write this formula, then the steps,
Okay.
and then this final
Okay.
answer, and then go for the next question. Done writing with first,
Yes, solving second.
solving second. Very good.
It will be -3 only, all terms.
As D is 0, all terms will be -3 only. Very good. Third, what you do,
Okay.
take a screenshot of it
Okay.
and solve it at what is today's schedule over there?
Huh?
What is your today's schedule at Yashwant?
I have class at evening, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. No, so need to leave at 5 or 4, something like that.
Ah.
Okay. Hmm.
So
Take a screenshot of it.
1 minute taking photo. Wait.
Question second and question third.
Okay. Took.
Okay. One more thing was there. Let me share with you again. You might have this book no, with you.
No, I don't actually.
Okay, see this question. Find first 4 terms of AP when the first term A and common difference D are as follows. First term is 10, common difference is 10. First term is -2, common difference is 0. Take the
Okay.
screenshot of this also.
Okay.
The second, third, fourth, if you won't solve it, it is fine because we just solved these questions. This we have solved, this second we have solved, this
Okay.
fifth we have solved, seventh we have solved, a similar kind of eight we have solved. So from this
Hmm.
only second and third, right?
Okay.
Hmm. And one more question is there. Here it is. See this table. From this formula, let me write the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now use this formula and find out the remaining things. Here you need to find an. Here you have to find d. Here you have to find a. Here you have to find n. Here you have to find again an. Like that. Okay. So these are the questions for your homework. Try these questions. Okay.